Look for me. Highway, cruising in a Ooh. Ooh.
Nice. So these is our O2 Cool fans that we ordered off of Amazon. They're battery operated.
Ooh.
Has how many speeds? 2. That's it. Yeah.
So it doesn't come with batteries, I guess.
So how many batteries do I need?
I don't know, because we have to unscrew it to see. So I bought this. Ooh, it actually looks really pretty.
Gay. How many batteries? That's it.
This one you can also charge, and it lasts 40 hours. So I thought you would like this one.
Why you didn't get 2 of these? I feel like 2 could have did the job. Oh, it's a white one.
Yes.
Ugly.
There's the charger. And you can also use batteries too, so it doesn't have to always be charging. Very nice. Black and white.
Okay, I can do it.
It's actually really, really nice. It's gonna sit somewhere, like maybe in the kitchen.
Nice.
Really like it. Yeah.
Nice.
Put thought into this. This is years of looking up
get another one
stuff. Yeah, maybe soon, but not now.
What you doing?
I'm trying to think now. My other option is to pretty much poke holes exactly where it's gonna be.
Look at Maisie looking at.
Hi, Maisie. She probably done wrapped herself around so many times. So Ty said to get these at the store.
Gay.
Let's see if it works. If it works, it'll make my life so much easier. Oh, look, it's working. Nice. So, everybody give Taji a round of applause. Woo! This is a really good one.
I wasn't even thinking like that, but that'll work.
Well, I know there's a lot of ways, but I really wanted to really cover the windows in case the lights are on. So I'm going to test it tonight. Oh, it's not long enough? Oh, no, because I started too early. I measured it right, but I started too early.
I'm gonna put the batteries in real quick. 2D batteries is what it requires. This is the fan.
We can get high because me gone. I feel alive.
They didn't give us the screws.
We have a bunch of screws.
We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds.
Is off the first speed. Wow. It's pretty nice. Not too bad. Let me see if I can demonstrate a little bit. Okay, no, this may be the first speed.
Yeah, that's the smaller speed.
That was the second speed, y'all. This one comes out cool, though.
What do you think?
We'll see when a hot night comes. All day, I'm going to be doing that number 2 all day. Get that number 1. Alright.
Take a shot for you. Give me your love, give
And then we got our charger.
let you know.
Yeah, let me get a quick video of the back. That's actually really nice. So it's dark, as you can see. Can't really see anything on the inside. Nope. So at nighttime, when the sun go down, I'll check it again and see. But it looks pretty good from
The way I see it. Alright, y'all. This is number 2 on the bigger fan. That's 2. Feels nice. Power it off. That's the lower one. That's number 1. Anyway, number 1. I like it. Oh, it's pretty good. Number 2.
Oh, I could sleep with that by my head.
So this is the last one.
Oh, look at this. I thought it was more than this. Wasn't it 2? I thought it was 2. Anyway, I ordered this. I thought it was really, really pretty. For the car. Well, for the house. Or for the camper. Look how pretty it is.
Kind of see-through-ish.
Yeah, but I was just gonna kind of like, so it was gonna kind of reflect, so it wouldn't be too much color. You get what I'm saying? Kind of like just like a shield.
So I'm gonna cut this up.
I thought it was really pretty. Just gonna make a really nice tutu.
This is the template, guys. So this is it right here. We probably put another layer, but we don't know yet. Hi, Tosh. It looks good. It's really good. Shaved. Stop. Not shaved. Shaved. Not shaved. This is the multi-purpose counter where it's able to swivel. It's a little stiff, but then you can put a table over it. I mean, a chair to have. It's really pretty. And then and be a kitchen table for us to eat outside. And you can put this on top where we're able to, if I had a chair, basically sit down, eat sandwiches, eat, you know, whatever we eating, and we got good support. It's really nice. Pretty. Swivel. Yep. So, I like it outside even more. So when we at campsites and we want to eat, that's what we're gonna be doing. And on the inside, this can be used for to watch TV, watch the computer. Yeah, and the inside we're gonna use it for a couple different uses as well. So yeah. That I'm gonna put the cover on it, guys, and that's gonna be like another little table area or something to watch movies or whatever, because we can place it anywhere. We're gonna show you guys that later. Anyway, so Taji, show them how we turn on our lights. So we have this little remote, and our lights are battery operated. And as you can see, she's turning it on and off. Awesome. We have one more we're gonna put in. We just don't know where we're gonna put it yet. Yeah, so I'll put that up here for that. You gonna burn this in or keep it in here? No, yeah, keep it in here. All right, bye. This couch gonna get it. It's gonna get it. You're gonna be a bad girl. You're gonna get beaten. I really enjoy that the sides come up. That's so awesome. It makes it snug. It nice to be on. You got some confessionals. You wanna speak your mind. You sit like this. And we just meditate. Can you see if it's getting it?